Hey there, folks. If you're an American Express cardholder and need to update your billing address, maybe you've moved, or it's just time for a change, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, straightforward, and will help you keep your account info accurate to avoid any billing hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your American Express account. You can do this via the official website or the mobile app. Head over to americanexpress.com and click on the Sign In button at the top right. Enter your username and password, and if you have two-factor authentication set up, make sure to verify that too. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. Next, navigate to the account settings. Look for a section labeled Account or Profile. It's usually in the top menu or under a settings icon. Click on that, and then find Contact Information or Billing and Shipping. This is where you'll see your current address details. American Express makes it user-friendly, so it should be easy to spot. Now, for the main step, editing your billing address. Click on the edit or pencil icon next to your address. A form will pop up where you can enter your new street address, city, state, zip code, and any other required fields. Double-check everything for accuracy. Typos can lead to delays or issues with your card. After you've made the changes, hit Save or Submit. You might get a confirmation message on screen, and American Express often sends an email to verify the update. Keep an eye on your inbox just to be sure. And that's it. You've successfully updated your billing address. One quick tip. If you're traveling or have multiple addresses, consider updating any linked services like digital wallets. If you run into any problems, American Express has great customer support. Reach out via chat or phone. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Stay savvy.